Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Defender error code 0x80240438. The definition updates could not be installed. Check your internet or network connection and try again. Click help for more information about this problem. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to actually make sure your date and time settings are correct down in your system tray. If not, you're going to go ahead and right click on it and select adjust date and time. So go ahead and actually, if it's set to set time automatically, if it's turned off, go ahead and turn it on. And if for some reason it's turned on and the time's incorrect, you may want to turn it off. And then set the date and time manually by selecting the change button. And then set the proper date and time as well as the time zone as well. And pretty straightforward. You can also go underneath sync now and then actually sync your date and time settings with Microsoft's own servers. So you can close out of here and then you would restart your device and then check for updates again, and then hopefully that should have resolved the problem. If not, we can actually try and reset our network adapter back to default. So if you're using an Ethernet-based connection, you will need to have your credentials nearby once you restart your computer. But if you're using a Wi-Fi-based connection, get your username and password off your router before you restart, because what we're about to do is going to reset our network settings back to default. So you're going to need those credentials when we're signing back in, assuming you want to connect back to the internet. So go ahead and open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Select Network and Internet on the left side, and then on the right side scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. On the right side underneath More Settings, select Network Reset, reset all network adapters to factory settings. So this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. And you will need to restart your device. So let's go ahead and manually restart our computer at this point. So hopefully it should have been a pretty straightforward process there for you. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.